Hi guys, it's Nicole with the Hudson Area Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make water bead stress balls. This should be a really short video. This is a really easy craft to do and a really easy thing to make. The hardest part about it is just waiting for the water beads or the Orbeez to hydrate, to soak up the water. That can take like 5 to 6 hours, but other than that, this is a really easy craft to do. Now you can pick up the supplies for this craft at the Hudson Area Public Library in a kit. In your kit you will actually get a little bag of water beads. You will get a couple balloons. The only other thing you will need for this craft is a water bottle, and you are going to actually fill it with your water beads when they get hydrated. You're going to find that there are more water beads in this pack than you actually need. I did that on purpose so you guys would have some extras to play around with because, whoops, they're really fun to play around with. So you will have some extras to do something else with if you would like. So I'll go ahead and turn the camera around and we'll get started. Okay guys, I have a bowl that I have filled with a whole bunch of water. I think the directions are at least 3 cups, and I know I have at least 3 cups. So all you have to do at this point is get out your water beads and measure out 1 level teaspoonful. Pour it in. That's it. We'll just go through until we get the water beads up to the right size, which is about marble sized. You just want to make sure that when it gets time to put them in your water bottle to get them into the balloon, that they will fit through the top of your bottle. So that's kind of what you're looking for. All right guys, so these have been soaking for 6 hours and I'm gonna call them done. So you should have enough here to definitely fill up both of your balloons. Now the balloons that you got in your kit are about this size. However, I have these balloons and I wanted to try these because they are clear, and I thought it might be kind of fun if you could see the different colors of the water beads inside the balloon. So for a bigger balloon like this, the best thing to do is to take a bottle, put your water beads into the bottle, okay, like that. Just fill it up. Whoops, I'm losing beads. They're escaping. I fill it up, okay, just like that. And once you get the beads in here, however many as you want to put in, just put the balloon around the rim, turn it upside down, kind of squeeze your bottle, and let the water beads go into the balloon. However, since I have a smaller balloon here, I'm actually just going to feed the water beads right into the balloon. And you can do this too with the bigger balloon. It might just take longer because a balloon of this size obviously is going to take a lot more water beads than this size. But I'll leave it up to you. So I'm going to fill this up. Then all you have to do is tie it off, cut off the end, and you're done. And I'll show you mine when I am all finished here. All right guys, I've got my 2 other little balloons completely done. And they're much smaller than, like I said, like the balloons that you get in your thing. But they're kind of cool because the balloons were clear. So I put the blues and the purples and the pinks in this one, and then the oranges and the greens and the yellows in this one. So these are much smaller. Actually kind of fit in your palm better. One thing I would say is if you do this size, after you get all of your little water beads in, I kind of squeezed them and got out all of that extra air. So you'll kind of see it almost looks maybe like vacuum packed around it. And that just made the whole thing work better. So if you try a smaller balloon, kind of like these are, good idea to get out as much of the air as you can. I didn't do that on this one, and you can kind of see that there's extra stuff. So I think that's a really good tip. These just seem to work a little bit better. So I do the same thing on your big ones too. Just try to get out as much of that air as you can. So there you go. There you have it. There's some nice, really squeezable, fidget, stress relieving water bead balls. And I have a ton left over, so I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but it's going to be fun to think of something. So have fun, guys. Have a great summer, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.